right now. She's a sister. We are not paying attention to your teacher. Should pay attention to her when she is discussing, okay? Because if you will do it again, I will pour your parents now. Okay? Okay, that's all. Okay, go. So, Sister Lars, Jerry, Lars, hi, Pastor. Cheese Chester. Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
This is parents of Cheese Chester Bisaya.
Yes, ma'am. I am the father of Mr. Chester Messiah.
So I call you today because your son did something wrong in the school and she also did not listen or disturbing with the classmate.
Yes, ma'am. I will be going to the school right now for that matter, ma'am. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. So I call you today because your son is very happy today. This is her second day.
So, what was the problem of my son, ma'am?
She disturbed her classmate while the other classmate is listening to her teacher and she also disturbed her teacher.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry for that inconvenience. So, I will be paying attention to my child so that he will not do it again. And again, I'm very sorry for that.
Oh, it's okay. I understand.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Sister Lars, Jerry, Lars, hi, Pastor. Sister, so good evening, sir. Sorry for because I called you today because your son is not changing her attitude towards her classmate, and he also disturbed her teacher while during class.
So, ma'am, I'm very sorry again for the reason my son is not changing. So, I really did my best to guide him about his attitude. But for that, we will be accepting the consequences you will be given to my son as the right thing to do, as he is not listening along the way.
Okay, so you can tell me about her condition, and I will provide the school to manage her and
Thank you very much for that advice, ma'am, and we'll see if my son will be changing